Welcome back to World Explorer Mind WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. And every week we dive deep into the past, present, and future of our world. From hidden histories to global game changers, you're watching World Explorer Mind WEM if you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to join our community. Your support means so much. A quick subscription helps me keep making content you'll love. I really appreciate you being here. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. History and people. Ethiopia has a fascinating and ancient history, making it one of the oldest civilizations on Earth. Ancient kingdoms. The first known kingdom in the region was DMT, which rose to power around the 10th century BCE. This was followed by the Aksumite kingdom in the 1st century CE, which became a major trading empire and one of the four great powers of the ancient world. The Aksumites are known for their monumental stone stelae, obelisks, and for adopting Christianity as their state religion in the 4th century. The Solomonic dynasty. The legend of the Queen of Sheba and King Solomon is central to Ethiopian national identity. The Kebra Nagast, the Glory of Kings, a 14th century text, claims that the Solomonic dynasty of Ethiopia was founded by Menelik I, the son of King Solomon and the Queen of Sheba. This dynasty ruled for centuries and played a crucial role in shaping the country's culture and history. Religious significance. Ethiopia is a land of religious diversity. In addition to the strong presence of the Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church, it is home to one of the oldest Muslim communities in the world. The country is also the spiritual home of the Rastafari movement, who revere Emperor Haile Selassie I. Cultural etiquette. Ethiopian social life is characterized by respect and formality. Greetings are courteous and often involve a handshake. It is customary to greet elders first and to address people with honorific titles like Ada, Mr., Waizero, Mrs., and Woizridi, Miss. Geography and climate. Ethiopia's varied landscape gives rise to a range of climate zones. Altitude and climate. The country's climate is primarily determined by altitude. The traditional climate zones are Kala, tropical zone, below 1,830 meters, with an average temperature of around 27 degrees Celsius. This includes the hot and arid Danakil Depression. Woina Diga, subtropical zone, from 1,830 to 2,440 meters, with an average temperature of about 22 degrees Celsius. This is where a large portion of the population lives, including the capital, Addis Ababa. Diga, cool zone, above 2,440 meters, with a cooler average temperature of around 16 degrees Celsius. Seasons. Ethiopia has three main seasons. Biga, dry season, October to January. This is the main dry period. Belg, short rainy season, February to May. This season brings a shorter period of rainfall. Kirimt, main rainy season, June to September. This is the heaviest rainy season, which is crucial for agriculture. Food and culinary traditions. Ethiopian food is a unique and flavorful experience, deeply tied to communal and social rituals. Key ingredients. Beyond the staples of injera and Berber, Ethiopian cuisine relies on a number of key ingredients. Niter kebe, a spiced clarified butter infused with spices like cardamom, garlic, and ginger, which forms the base of many stews. Mitmita, a potent powdered seasoning mix made from chili peppers, cardamom, and cloves, used to spice a variety of dishes. Vegetables and legumes. The cuisine is rich in plant-based ingredients like red onions, lentils, chickpeas, cabbage, and potatoes. Dishes. Tibs, meat, beef, lamb, or goat, with vegetables and spices. There are many variations from mild to hot. It is often served to guests as a sign of honor and respect. Shirawat, a thick stew made from powdered chickpeas, often cooked with Berber, onions, and garlic. It is a very popular and common vegetarian dish. Akilt wat, a mild vegetable stew made with potatoes, carrots, and cabbage, often with a turmeric base. Dining etiquette. The gursha is a special act of friendship. A person will tear off a piece of injera, wrap it around a morsel of food, and place it in the mouth of a dining companion. This is a sign of great affection and honor, and refusing a gursha is considered impolite. The communal plate, or gabeta, symbolizes the strong social bonds and shared experience of the meal. That's today's story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, Subscribe and join me for the next one. More stories coming your way soon. Don't just watch history, be part of it. Subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching World Explorer Mind WEM.